What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on Felix's RSX today. He got a new axle back, or no, cat back actually. He got an HKS axle back. So, or cat back. So this is what it looks like. Fat ass. Ooh, look at this fat as shit. HKS. This reminds me of my car, my IS, back when I got it. So we're gonna throw this shit on, give you, a little sound clip of before and after. So, yep, let's get to it. So we're gonna have Felix give a couple revs. So this is gonna be the stock OEM mufflers. All right, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Redline it. Fuck it, redline it. All right, you good? All right, so you excited for this shit?
Yeah. Spent like $600 on this shit, so. Yeah,
hopefully, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't sound like a rice rocket, but we'll see, all right? All right, so you're gonna wanna get a 14 socket, right? Oh shit, and then put it
Don't do that.
right here. So this is the cat, right before. These 3 bolts. This one right there, this one right here, and then the last one is right there. I just took off, right there, okay? So make sure to use a 14, should be pretty simple. These cars are pretty old, so it's gonna you're gonna want to use WD-40 on them to loosen it up.
And be careful, it's hot.
Yeah, make sure you do it when it's not hot or warm, okay? Or you might burn yourself. Also after that, you're gonna want to unscrew these 2 bolts right here. So right here. Let's see what else. And then these 2 hangers right here. Do you see right there or right there? Right there, see those hangers? You gotta remove it off that. And then right there as well, see? There, up there, there. So right now Ferris got rid of these 2 14s right here. Or what was it? What size?
12s.
12s? Okay, never mind, just kidding. These are gonna be 2 12s.
Don't you know what 12 millimeters look like?
Yeah, I saw right here. Huh? 12 millimeters.
No, show them. Here, take it or leave it.
Yeah.
3-inch destroyer.
Yeah, I'm gonna destroy that cock right there.
Flex on the camera.
Oh, you know.
Show the. Oh. Now you're gonna get all the bitches. Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
And then just pull it off right there.
Pull it?
Try? Yeah, good. Oh, there. Wait, or try removing this though. Remove this though.
Take this out?
Yeah. Right, so I'm not too sure if you have to reuse these hangers or not, but we're just gonna take them off. It'll be easier to use. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to. Yeah, I don't know if so we're gonna check, but so we're gonna do this, that, and then literally pop it off. See that? Oh shit! Let's move it out. I don't got gloves because I gotta go soon, but yeah. And then right here, you did. Do some work for your car, right? It's your car, do some work, bro. Yeah. There we go. So we got literally the whole cap back off, and then we're gonna throw on the new HKS.
Yeah, this shit takes like 15, 20 minutes.
But honestly, for them it's a learning experience, so it might take them a little longer, but for me, I already know how to take off an exhaust system because I've done it on my IS. But it's okay, everyone learns, start from somewhere, right? It's fun, like, getting to, know your car, and then, seeing how far your car comes, and like modifying it, like, it's just really cool. So here we got 4-inch tip, my guy, with a silencer, but holy shit, look at this shit.
Yeah, we'll take that shit off.
Yeah, because the fuck, we don't need to be fucking quiet. Yeah, so we're gonna take off the silencer and then see how it goes. So right now you want to just redo and reverse the steps of how to take it off and literally just throw everything back on. But I'm not too sure if HKS gives you certain bolts, do they give you extra certain bolts and stuff?
I haven't checked.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure there's new hardware in here. I'm not too sure, but let's see. So right here we have, oh shit. Right here we have the new gaskets and then the new hardware right here, see? Right. So you don't want to forget this, so they give you new hardware. Make sure to put in the gaskets, okay? See these gaskets? Make sure these are in.
I need to reuse the brackets, right?
Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Alright, so Anthony had to go eat dinner with his family and we out here doing the rest of his work. So, yeah.
When you're putting this shit together, put all the pieces back into the car before you assemble everything, it'll just be easier. And read your fucking instructions.
And get someone who speaks Japanese.
It's okay, this motherfucker decided to ditch us and go eat with his family, so.
Oh, yeah, who the fuck needs family? Who is he, Tom Toretto? Fucking
Family. All the bolts are in now. We just got tying them, and I think we're done.
Guys.
You sus for that one. Also comes with a free flashlight if you guys want one.
What are you doing?
That one, like right up in there.
She's one do things she can talk about, and I'm always over time trying to make a big amount, but